Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's topic is interesting in my opinion because this is like my first time trying it ever. So this is going to be a review about the Aliza 3-in-1 Face Cleansing Paper. So let me just read what it says right over here. So it says here, a revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin, leaving it gorgeously soft and clean. Free from artificial fragrances and colors, gluten, and ethanol alcohol. Aliza 3-in-1 Face Cleansing Paper will transform the way you wash your face. And let me just read the instructions. It says how to use. Place 1 to 3 cleansing sheets in the palm of your hand, moisten with water, and gently rub together until melted into a silky foam. Gently apply the foam to your face in circular motions. Rinse with water and pat skin dry. That is so interesting. I've never used anything like this for my face. I have seen like a life hack before, and it is more of like a body soap, but I've never really used anything like this. So I'm not so sure if the sheets is going to like dilute or something like that, but we will find out. Let me just open this up. Then I'm gonna remove my lashes and see how this one works. So on the side, you will see some of the ingredients. And then it says over here, it is good for normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skin. That's nice. All right. As you guys can see, it is heavily sealed with this plastic. I'll just rip that off. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. Oh, I can't open it. There you go. Awesome. I'm excited to try it. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, ever since I had received this. However, I keep on forgetting it. So, yeah. Because sometimes when you're from work, you're just like super tired and exhausted, and the next thing that you wanted to do is just rest. So, yeah. Oh, okay. I actually thought that when I opened the box, it's just going to be like pieces of paper, but I'm wrong. Look at that. Looks like a compact. Looks like that. Oh, by the way, if my nails are chipped, please don't judge me, okay? That's so interesting. This is what the back looks like. It's like a tiny compact. And when you open it up, it's gonna look like that. Oh, okay. Can I just say that I love the packaging already? Look at that, it looks legit, looks like makeup, like a makeup compact. Open that up, and then looks like a cushion thing, but not really. So there's a seal in the mirror. It has a mirror too, which is pretty cool. So you can just remove that cover, and then it will reveal the true surface, which is like a clear mirror. There you go, pretty. All right, so let me show you what it looks like per piece. It is like very soft. You know what? Let's go to the restroom, okay? Because I can't do it right here. There's no sink, so let's go. You know what? What am I doing? I need to remove the lashes first. Oh my gosh. You know what I was wondering? Will you get wrinkles around your eyes if you use false eyelashes every day? I get paranoid and scared because I do wear false eyelashes every day, and you know what, you're tugging your skin every day, so I'm not so sure. I kind of want to know if it gives you like wrinkles and stuff. So I'm gonna walk to the restroom. So where am I gonna put this? Here you go. Oops. I'm gonna tie my hair just to be sure that will go into my face. right, I think that is perfect. So I'm gonna get one first. Because what if I only need one, you know? I'm not about to like use 3 all in once. Oh, wow, it completely dissolved. So I'm putting it, oh my gosh, this is so difficult. Let's see if 1 sheet is enough. Seriously, I need more water in my face, so I'm gonna do that. Wow, are you guys seeing this? Like, it even removed the liner that I have. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, I actually like how it feels. Hold on. Oh, that's awesome. Look, it even removed my lipstick. That's crazy. I could actually add more if I wanted to. Nice. It really does leave my skin soft. So now let's go back to the room and see what it looks like with all of the lights. Sorry if I'm everywhere. That is actually so refreshing. Ooh, can you guys like legit see my face right now? So this is what my face looks like after washing it. I didn't even cut it anymore, but you can see that it is like so clear. That is nice, and my face is very, and my face is like so supple. So now that my face is dry, this is what it looks like. It is really nice, smooth, and silky, and I'm happy about it. Like, I really am happy about it. It really does feel really nice. And I feel like my face is squeaky clean. Not over dry, but it's just like clean, you know? Like the clean feeling. And it doesn't have any smell. It doesn't have any smell at all, which is perfect for those who are very sensitive when it comes to smell. And yeah, I think you guys should try it because it's just like so cool. I will definitely bring it on my next trip. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I was totally amazed by this product. If you guys want to try it, I will be putting the link down below. I love it. It's so much fun and perfect for traveling. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.